I am British Blind Sport. Today, golf. It will get me out and about more and ensure that I continue to have a worthwhile life.
There are over 2 million people in the UK living with sight loss.
I am British Blind Sports. My favourite sports are swimming and goalball. You get to exercise and meet new people.
3 out of 4 visually impaired people are not in paid employment.
I am British Blind Sports.
I like goalball and I like football and I'm supporting Chelsea.
15% of visually impaired people do not do any leisure activities outside of their home.
I am British Blind Sports. Probably swimming because I love being in the water.
Almost half of visually impaired people feel moderately or completely cut off from society.
I am British Blind Sport. Sport gives me like a purpose, like a competitive edge which I love and I thrive off.
British Blind Sport provides more than 50 sporting events and opportunities for visually impaired people every year.
I am British Blind Sports. Swimming and 10-pin bowling. I get to socialise and having a great time.
British Blind Sport provides a signposting service for visually impaired people to find their nearest sporting opportunities.
I am British Blind Sport. It's the participation and getting together with your pals on a Saturday, having a game and then socialising after. It's about the whole event, not just the sport.
British Blind Sport provides advice to governing bodies of sport, coaches, schools and clubs to ensure that they are inclusive of visually impaired people.
I am British Blind Sport. I like archery. It keeps you fit and healthy.
I am British Blind Sports. Well, I've got 2. One is football and the other one's cricket. Winning, of course, but more the less one is participating.
I'm British Blind Sports. Well, I play goalball. I like to get out and about. It's quite good and meet new people.
I'm British Blind Sport. Football. Taking part and winning it.
I'm British Blind Sport. As a coach, for me, it's everything. It's just a big part of my life now.
I am British Blind Sport.
We are British Blind Sport. Visit us at britishblindsport.org.uk to find out how you can be too.